How to format a floating number to fix width in Python. How do I format a floating number to a fixed width with the following requirements? Leading 0 if n and lt. 1. Add trailing decimal zeros to fill up fixed width. Truncate decimal digits past fixed width. Align all decimal points. For example, the output would be like
print. The format specifier inside the curly braces follows the Python format string syntax. Specifically, in this case, it consists of the following parts. The empty string before the colon means take the next provided argument to format dash, in this case the x is the only argument. The 10.4f part after the colon is the format specification. The f denotes fixed point notation. The 10 is the total width of the field being printed, lefted padded by spaces. The 4 is the number of digits after the decimal point.
It has been a few years since this was answered, but as of Python 3.6, PEP 498, you could use the new f strings. Prints.
In Python 3 the following works.
You can also left pad with zeros. For example, if you want number to have 9 characters length, left padded with zeros use. Print column 09.3f.format number. Thus, if number equals 4.656, the output is 00004.656. For your example, the output will look like this. Prints. One example where this may be useful is when you want to properly list file names in alphabetical order. I noticed in some Linux systems, the number is 1, 10, 11, 2, 20, 21. Thus, if you want to enforce the necessary numeric order in file names, you need to left pad with the appropriate number of zeros.
If you want to see more, press on Shield Subscribing.